Hi, I'm Nathan Guggenheimer here at Avenue Restaurant in the lovely Regina, Saskatchewan. For the holidays, I love to do a nice rib roast instead of turkey. We are gonna make our rub for this roast, and you can do any size roast at home. Like, I just love doing the big whole ribeyes because I have a big feast. We're gonna go garlic, chopped rosemary, salt. So I go pretty heavy on the salt, a little bit of pepper, just a little bit of garlic powder, and some cold pressed canola oil. And you can add in extra things, like if you wanted to add in thyme or some other hard herbs or some roasted garlic. Gonna massage this ribeye with this, you know, nicely. It's gonna thank me later. You're gonna cook it for a few hours, so when it comes out, it's gotta be worth it, right? And once I can smell something smelling good before I've even cooked it, I know I'm winning already. Now that we've got this all coated up with our rub, we're gonna sear this on a very hot pan. For me, I've got a flat top here at the restaurant, so I'm gonna use that. But for you, I mean, if you have a smaller size piece, just use a small pan. Get it really nice and hot. Throw in a touch of oil. I'm gonna show you here in 1 sec. We're just gonna flip this fat side down. I'm gonna be honest, when I cook at home, I always turn off my smoke detector because every single time it goes off because I need this heat. So don't worry about getting a little bit of color on this outside, especially on a big roast. The most important thing to do is to make sure that you really do be patient with that sear and get it nice and sealed. So now we are going to put this on the rotisserie, and I'm gonna put it at very low, at furthest away from the flame, and I'm gonna let it go for about 2.5 to 3 hours. And I know you probably don't have a rotisserie at home, or some of you may do, but if you don't, just put that ribeye right back in that pan and put it in the oven at 300 degrees. You had half this roast, I'd probably check it in about 40 minutes. Oh yeah, as you can see, we have that lovely caramelization all the way around. This is a lovely thing. We've got a lovely caramelized coating on the outside, the seared beef, the smells, aromas, flavor and texture. This is what excites me. Let's cut right into the good part. There we go. Lovely, nice and rare, just the way I like it. One nice thick slab for myself there. Some lovely glazed carrots here. And then with the drippings, I always make a little bit of jus just to put around everything. So I hope you've enjoyed my step-by-step for the ribeye, and it's a great alternative to turkey, my favorite dish. Happy holidays, everyone.